Let's create this hair bow hairstyle. My hair is crimped in the back. A little bit later, you'll see that I added some butterflies. So first, you have to just have your hair half up, half down. You take the hair that is up and you flip it upside down, and you're just going to secure it with an elastic. You make sure that the hair that you're folding over is about a nice size so that you can have a bow that is not too big and not too small. So you just wrap the elastic around. I only wrap the elastic around 2 times. And then what you want to do is divide your hair into 2 sections. It may not divide perfectly, but you just have to take your time and be patient and divide your hair into 2 sections. Then the hair that is left out, that almost looks like a tail, you're just going to wrap that to the back, and then you'll slowly wrap that hair around the elastic. I had to do this a couple of times. Sometimes when you wrap the hair around the elastic, it twists the hair bow either too far to the left or too far to the right. But you just have to wrap it around and just play around with it, and it should work out pretty well when you twist the hair around the elastic. Now what you need to do is just take a bobby pin and secure that tail in the back. Then you'll notice that you might have some flyaways. You can pin those down, or if you choose to use a hair wax stick, you can use a hair wax stick to secure those pieces. But for now, I'm just pinning down some of the pieces that were sticking up and adjusting the hair bow to my liking. So now I'm just securing the hair bow in place. When I looked at myself in the camera, I realized that the hair bow looked a little lifted, and that's fine, but I wanted it to look a little bit more secure, and I also wanted to close some of the gaps on the side. So I took one bobby pin for the left side, and I secured the hair down right in the front. And then I took one bobby pin on the right side, and I secured the hair down in the front. This makes the bow look a little bit more full, and it just makes it so that those gaps are non-existent. So now it's the fun part. It's time to add some accessories. I have these little butterflies, and I thought that they looked really pretty. So I'm just adding the butterflies to different places that I thought looked suitable. This hairstyle is super easy, it's super fun, and it's super pretty. You can wear this during the day, you can wear this during the evening. It can be a casual hairstyle, it can also be a formal hairstyle. It's very versatile. I had such a delightful and fun time recording this tutorial, and I will see you in our next one.